What's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel called Blooded, and in this video guys I'm just going to talk about Dart programming language, specifically about Dart's variables. So first of all, what is Dart? Dart actually is a static type programming language developed by Google for using using the flutter framework for creating mobile applications for both cross platforms like Android and iOS. So that means like a hybrid development for mobile application platforms. You actually can create an app on an Android and iOS with the same code. So that actually have many features, and specifically I want to talk about data variables like the string, the integer, booleans, and the rest. So first, let's get into the video right now, guys. Don't go anywhere. So first of all, I'm actually in dot part right now. It's an align editor. You can just straight up dot part and you just have one open for you. This right here, it's a function, like it's an object. Dot actually is like an object oriented programming language. So everything like an object of everything is actually like an object. Like am I wrong? Actually like an object. So what this void actually means, like it's gonna return nothing, so it's not returning a string or the void. You can actually just literally remove it or actually leave it back there void, but let's just leave it for like I think leaving sake. First of all, the variable, let's start with the dot var keyword. You can see variable name equals, let's say, Francis. When I print out name, around this you have Francis. So Francis. What actually means when I say dots is static type languages. Compared to languages like JavaScript and others, they actually dynamically type language. Which I mean, like what's actually mean by that when I say static type, like when you declare assign a value to a variable. Like this is a string called Francis. I can actually assign a value of a different data type to that variable. I can actually say name equals 56. That's gonna give me an error. So when I print the name out, I'm actually gonna get an error. You can see a value of type integer can't be assigned to a variable of type string. So it's a static type. You can actually use different data type for the same variable. You can't say, okay, declare a variable name and assign a value of Francis to it and declare that variable and assign a value of 50. So you can't do that with Dart. The only way you can do that is when you actually make that variable dynamic. So the only way to do that, I'm going to show you two methods to do that. So the first method, you actually just declare the variable by saying name, the name of the variable name. Then you can come down and try to start sending variable, assigning values. I can say name equals Francis. I print out name. Oh, what's wrong? Name. I should have Francis as my output. And you can also do like I should say name equals 56. If I print 56, I should have that integer as my output. I think my network's slow today. So you get, guys. They're actually more, I think they're actually like some popular basic data types of variable you actually should know when using Dart. And I'm going to show you a few of them. I think one of the popular is actually we want to declare a string. You actually want to use the keyword string. So actually start with capital STRING string. That's what I need to call that. We're talking about a name, like a name of someone, a car, string like names and other sentences. So you can see string name equals let's say Ben. Is kind of data type Ben. You can also say integer number equals 56. You can see I don't have a double decimal double number 2 equals 56.9, and we should have a bool answer that equals true. So that's actually one of the most popular. So when I print all this out first, I print out a name which has a data type of strings. It gives me a string, so I can't assign integer to that string. I can't actually say name equals 56 because I actually declared to that this is actually a string. So this variable only holds string related values. And also for integer too, see it's actually an integer, so integer which actually holds numbers, so whole numbers actually can hold only whole numbers. So I can't actually put a double integer or full string to give me an error. So if I print a number 1, I get 56. I print out number 2, I should have 56.9. I'm going to print out answer. I should have a boolean. It's actually true or false. So you can make this a false if you like. Make this a false. And actually still gives you false. So I can actually get this gives you a false data type value, the string for string related values, integer for whole numbers related value, double for decimal place, and boolean for either a true and a false. Then we also have, I think I'm going to talk about 2 other variable keywords actually know within Dart, actually called the final keyword and the const keyword. What the final actually does is, and the final const does the same thing, but it has different runtime, like with runtime in Dart. As in the final, I say file name equals the final string, as we're trying to turn a string, let's make it file name equals Francis. And print out a name is going to give me Francis. So you guys know just when I say name equals Ben, print the same name, it gives me an error saying setter not found name Ben combined charge. He doesn't know this name Ben because I already said make it like I make it constant. I like hard coded this value of Francis, string value of Francis, to this variable name, so it can be changed or it can be changed to anything else. So it should be Francis. Also with const, so when I run this too, it's going to give me an error too, saying set not found. The difference between const and the final actually takes place actually makes it fine before a run type the run type chain in Dart before it actually runs the code. So make a string final, it actually makes it run. When I use the keyword const, it does that after the run, after or before, I think it's after the run type error. So I don't know if actually I'm right with this. So if I'm actually making a mistake, guys, you can drop a comment below and tell me if I made a mistake somewhere, you got confused somewhere, so I'll try to rectify it, guys. I think I'll make a video in depth talking about final and const. So when you're making very static, you actually use the const keyword, or you can use the final to make it unchanged. And actually I want to show you something. Actually, when you want to get the data type of variable, for example, do string name equals Ben, you can actually trick out. Actually have to use name dot run time type. I'm going to give it the data type of that variable, and the answer is going to be a string. So again, that's just when you get the string of a variable. So that's when you use that. That's when you name this runtime type. And don't forget, guys, I actually talk about that being a static type language, and I show you that you can actually make a variable dynamic by declaring the variable name, then later then name equals like Francis, and you can do name equals Ben. So you print out the name, it's gonna give you Ben, because actually it's dynamic, because we can like change the value of that variable. But actually it's actually nice, but actually this is a shortcut in Dutch. It's a special keyword for this. The keyword is called dynamic. So we actually add a dynamic in the beginning of the variable name. You don't actually have to do all this. So I can say, I can cancel that, I can say equals Francis. Oh, what is wrong with me today, Francis? And when I print this out, it's gonna give me Ben. See, I can make this Ben. I can make this Francis, and I print this out, it's going to give me Francis. So when I use the dynamic keyword in front of variable name, you made that variable dynamic. You can change it to any data type variable you like. I can make this an integer, like making it 567. When I print this out, it's going to give me a 567. I can also make this name blue by putting false. When I print this out, it's going to give me a false. Give me a false. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I'm actually going to generate more videos on this Dart. So if you want more video like that, please comment down below, like this video, and if you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe and hit the bell notification button to get noted or alerted when I drop new videos like this to the channel. So guys, but until then, I'm going to see you next video, and guys, peace out, and don't go be a cool blood. Bye guys, I'm leaving now. Video's gone.